Oracle, as we mentioned, of course, that's the standout, seeing the sharpest rally in more than 30 years following earnings. And that's why our next guest is actually trimming it. Joining us now, Charlie Bobrinskoy, Vice Chairman and Head of Investment Group at Ariel Investments. Charlie, great to have you with us.
Thanks for having me.
Is this just portfolio management, or do you have some question marks about the guidance that they gave?
We're value investors at Ariel, and we try and buy things when they're out of favor and sell them when they're in favor. And Oracle has gone from being very out of favor to being very in favor. It's been, I think, your predecessor, Kelly Evans, asked me once what was my favorite value tech stock, and I said Oracle, but it was 130 at the time, and Oracle went to 350 this week. So I'm trimming it. I still own it, but it is trading at a big multiple of value. They have not been forthcoming in terms of the profitability of this new data center contracts that they have. They're clearly going to have massive revenue. How much they're going to actually make on this revenue is not been fully disclosed. And the last bear case to Oracle would be that Edelson is going to be funding the Paramount purchase of Warner Brothers. And there's some concern that he's been kind of bullish on the outlook for Oracle so that he can get the price up, sell some stock to fund the acquisition of Warner Brothers.
Oh, so the conspiracy theory juicing the stock so that he can get the other deal done. Although he hasn't sold a share of Oracle since it was founded. Yeah. So, you know, I don't know how grounded that fear is, Charlie. It does seem, though, you mentioned you are a value investor, that this is way outside of the comfort zone, perhaps, of your portfolio in particular. And so what are the sort of things in the future that you want to see happen in order for you to feel more comfortable with this? I mean, you mentioned the quality of the revenue in terms of the margins. We don't even know if those RPOs are going to turn into revenue as well. I mean, just to throw another thing out there.
Those are binding contracts with AI, with Microsoft. I feel pretty good about that backlog coming to fruition. It's the margins that do give me pause. I think, look, people for a long time thought of the people who are going to provide web services as being Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. And we now have to add a fourth firm. Oracle is now clearly a major player in that space. The core thesis was that AI is all about measuring and monitoring your data, not data that's in the public. It's corporations analyzing their own data, and that data sits on Oracle software. That gives Oracle a real advantage in the AI world, and that is what is coming to fruition.